So you are welcome to this part of the class where I'm going to be teaching you the best strategies that I personally use to format all my books before putting them or uploading them onto the Amazon platform. So we are going to be going through that step by step. I'll show you everything I do in order to format my book. So now, of course, we're going to be using Microsoft Word for this purpose to be able to format our book. And by the way, you are not only limited to formatting your book with the Microsoft Word. You can do this formatting in Canva. You can use the Kindle app in order to format your book. All of these are accepted when your book is formatted in any of this format. You can format it and add it onto the Amazon platform. But for the purpose of the series of these videos, I'm going to be guiding you through a step-by-step process of how I format my book. So let's go ahead and open this Word document that we're going to be using for the purpose of demonstration. Alright, so great, our Word document have opened here. So this is the document we're going to be using for the purpose of demonstration. So whenever I want to format a book, the very first thing I do is to make sure that I highlight everything and then change all the text and all the size, the font sizes to be the same before I continue. You may discover that sometimes when you bring in your text, it may come with different set of formatting, different set of text. Of course, this document does not come in that order, but that is the first thing you need to do. To first of all, click on Control A and highlight everything, and then go to Home and make sure that you put them in the same text so that you will not need to be changing it over and over again when you begin your processes. So that is what we're going to first of all do. So I've highlighted the text. So now here are some good examples of font types that you can use for the purpose of formatting. First, Verdana is very good for that. So let's say we want to change this text to Verdana. We just quickly click here to be able to locate a font type and then check Verdana there. Let's see. Of course, you can see the text there. So once I click on that, you find I see that's applied to the entirety of the document right here. So apart from Verdana, another good one that people often use is Georgia. So if you don't want to work with Verdana, and of course you see that you can work there with Georgia. So now you see this is the way the Georgia fonts usually looks like, as you can see it right here. Alright, so the Georgia font is also very great. And then another that is also great for this is the one that we call Times New Roman. So you can also use Times New Roman. It's also great for formatting. So Times New Roman, you can see it right there. Click on that. You will see that, okay, the entire text have been changed to Times New Roman. And then the last one that I'm going to be recommending is the text called Calibri. So Calibri is also very good. So we have different variations of that. Calibri light, and then the main one, the body and stuff. So of course, so for the purpose of this class, we're going to be using the Times New Roman as our text. So we just click on that. Times New Roman is there. Click on enter. Okay, let's click on search and then get a Times New Roman. Alright, so you see this is the text that we have chosen for the purpose of this. And of course, after you have chosen your font type, then the next thing you are going to do right now is to choose your font size. You can simply do that here. So of course 12 point is very normal, very okay for the sake of this. So we're going to click on 12 point. So you can see that we have done two things here. We have decided, highlighted everything, decided to format and pick a font type for our book, and also we have decided the font size of our book. And that is the first thing that you need to do before you continue the process.